This video is brought to you by GearBest. Hello and welcome back to Simple Tech Reviews. Today we'll be looking at the 70mi Smart Dash Camera. The 70mi is a small, low-profile Wi-Fi dash cam that records full 1080p video. It is made by Xiaomi's Tech company. It can be controlled with voice commands and has had a lot of success worldwide. Let's start by seeing what comes in the package. We can first see a windshield sticker for mounting the camera. Then there's the user manual. Next we see the 70mi dash cam and mount. Next is the power adapter. And finally the micro USB power cable. Having a closer look at the dash cam, on the front we have the speaker and the 130-degree 1080p camera. On the right we can see the reset pinhole, the micro USB power port, and the micro SD card slot up to 64 gigabytes. On the left is the microphone, the power button, and the function LED indicator. On top there's the swivel mount, the mounting tape, and vents. And on the bottom, more ventilation holes. To install the dash cam, first insert the micro SD card. Then you can use the included windshield sticker, which will make it easier to place. Since the 70mi is a Wi-Fi dash cam, I recommend that you download the mobile app from the App Store before placing it on the windshield. This way you can connect to the dash cam and see the live view of where the camera is pointing before you attach it. With the camera mounted, you can now connect and route the micro USB power cable through the headliner and connect it to the ladder power adapter to have the camera record when the vehicle is started. As stated before, one of the highlights of the 70mi is that you can use voice commands to control what it does, all hands-free and without taking your eyes off the road. You can use the following commands: take picture,
taking photo,
record video,
event recording started,
record with sound,
microphone is on,
record without sound,
microphone is off,
turn on Wi-Fi,
switching on the Wi-Fi access point,
turn off Wi-Fi,
switching off the Wi-Fi access point.
Some of these features can also be controlled by pressing the power button. The power button also has an LED indicator ring that will show you one of three colors. Green means that the camera is recording video and working okay. Blue, that it is not recording video or performing a settings task. And red to indicate a camera or recording error. Let's now have a look at the mobile app. You can access the camera by connecting to the 70mi hotspot. The default password is 123456778. Once inside the app, you will see the live preview, a button to take photos, the album where you will be able to review the recorded video and photos, and go into the camera settings where you can change Wi-Fi preference between automatic or manual, change the default Wi-Fi password for extra security, set the G-sensor sensitivity, turn the microphone on or off, change the camera speaker volume, change the voice command sensitivity, change the picture quality, sync the camera's date and time with your phone, see the SD card status and also format it, and reset to factory defaults. In conclusion, the 70mi dash cam is a discreet and affordable smart camera with plenty of features. The voice command controls are designed to keep your hands on the steering wheel and your eyes on the road, while the Wi-Fi capabilities make it easy to control and share video footage when needed. It is also made by the Xiaomi ecosystem, which is known for quality products and good customer support. If you'd like to check out the 70mi, don't forget to click on the links provided below. Thank you very much for watching, and if you like this review, please consider subscribing and sharing. Up next are the video sample clips for your evaluation. I'll see you on our next review.